Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We're back in my garage showing you our Craftsman 3/4 horsepower belt drive. It is it's a 139.57915 manufactured of August 10th, 2018. I know I got those unique light bulbs inside of the garage door opener with tiny gems on it. And actually, there's the left side is orange, and I'll show you the other side. The other ones are actually green. It's very unique to put those light bulbs on the garage door opener. I'm trying to give it a tuck to make sure that the light cover is closed properly. I think it's doing good. We're not going to be using the wall button this time. But except for I'll try doing an outside viewing, but I might have to do it quick because it's very rainy out there. And yes, I'm gonna close the garage door from the inside first, and then I'll open it back up and then show you the outside viewing of it with the keypad, and then close it from the inside, and then that will be it. Now let's start closing the garage door in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's open it back up. I'll try to get the outside viewing of the garage, but I might have to try to to do that real quick. I'll try getting let's do a quick outside viewing, and then we'll open the garage door one more time. You don't need to put the code in while you're closing the garage door. It's very rainy out there. Okay, now let's run the garage door. Let's run the garage door one more time, but I still can't show you the code. Whoops. Uh-oh. Oops. Wrong code. There we go. This garage door opener is a DC belt drive, but I don't think it's a battery backup. Now let's close the garage door one more time, and then that will be enough, and I'll put the remote back inside of our Toyota Camry. Oh, there's something that I forgot to tell you earlier. I already opened the garage door the first time when I was, before I recorded this video, because I made another video almost, and I got the opener showing on our 2005 Toyota Camry video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and close the garage door one more time, and then I'm gonna put the remote back inside of the Camry. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Okay, I'm gonna put the remote back inside of our Toyota Camry. Ours is a 2005. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of our Craftsman 3/4 horsepower belt drive 139.57915 model. I know I put those the old-fashioned light covers. I think they were made in Canada, but I'm not quite entirely sure. Well, hope you enjoyed this video of our Craftsman 139.57915. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.